Working on the SS. Gonna show you how to replace the hood. Right there, the real deal. All you need is a hood replacement. I know it's not the best looking, but it's cheaper than the rest. Need you a hood replacement. Got from the junkyard. And your 13 millimeter. And you're gonna need you a pick tool so you can pick this out. Don't take it out all the way, but you're gonna put your flathead underneath right there. Just pop it out just a little bit just to get it off. But you're just gonna take this top piece off and then put it on the new hood. Let's get it. So 13 millimeter. Right there. Set it somewhere you won't forget. Got that 13. Now keep that there. Just once that arm is not holding the hood up no more, it's gonna get pretty heavy. Go to the other side. All right, we got this 13 off. You see, got it right there. And then let's go back over here and take out that last 13 right here. While you're taking out that last 13, make sure you hold on to something. Hold on to it. Hold on to it and start getting that 13 out, because it will be heavy once you get that last one out. While you're holding it, get you a bucket or something. Unless you got a helper, you can come over here. Like I said, you're not gonna pop it up all the way. You're just gonna pop it out just a little bit. While you're popping it out, pull this out while you're popping it out. Hold up. So this is how much you want to pop it out to. Like, focus, baby. Focus. Like about that much. It's like a shape like a C. Shaped like a C. That's how much you want it. Right there. It's shaped like a C. And then just pull it back, pull it out while you hold the. While you use your left hand to hold the hood up. You can also hold the hood up with your, like regular. Hold it up like regular, and pull that out also. All right, let's pull that out. All right, so we got to pull it out with both hands. You know the rest. Let's take this hood off. Out with the old, in with the old. Yes, this is a 5.3 V8 inside the Chevy Impalas. If you didn't know, they did make these Monte Carlo SS, Super SS. They made these. Make sure it's straight how you like it. You're gonna hold it and match it up with the hinges. Put that back in, or you can put this back in now, so that way you have a way to hold it up. Yeah, just put this hinge back in. That way you got a way to hold it up, and then let me start putting those 13s back in. I was started by hand first. Started by hand. That way you can even it out. And that's pretty much what it is. Let's close it and see how it looks. See what's going on. Make sure there's nothing under the hood. All right. Okay. Yeah, comment if you have any questions. That's how you replace the hood. I'm not a fan of this gap. Comment if you know how I can get this closed up. I'm not really a fan of that gap. Yeah, comment if you know how to make that gap go away. All right, I'm out.